As Dr. Michael Gurin aptly summarizes, fathers are not just the role model, they are the first teachers of how to love. Now, their influence is lasting and profound, making reference to fathers now, shaping the way their sons will love and be loved. The logics behind the assertion that only a father can truly teach his son how to love a woman lies in the unique influence fathers have on their sons' development. Through modeling behavior, teaching emotional intelligence, demonstrating respect and equality, and balancing strength and sensitivity, fathers provide the invaluable lesson on how to build and sustain a loving relationship.